Hello, and welcome to eQuoteMD's Medical Malpractice Insurance video blog. I'm Tim Ryan, and I'm here to answer your medical malpractice insurance questions. Recently, I was asked to explain the difference between a quote or indication and a bindable quote. Now, I'll be the first one to admit that in the insurance field, there's a lot of jargon, and if you don't quite understand the nuances, it can be very difficult to comprehend exactly what your broker or your insurance company is talking about. So I'd like to spend a couple minutes with you today explaining the differences between these two terms. Now, a quote or indication is generally what a doctor is looking for as he or she is shopping the market to find the best premium price or the best policies. Now, the quote or indication is essentially the insurance company's best guess as to how much it's going to cost to insure a doctor. Now, this quote or indication can basically be given after a few essential pieces of information are given to the medical malpractice insurance company. These pieces of information basically boil down to three main topics. First, what specialty does the doctor practice? Second, what location is the doctor's medical practice in? And third, does the doctor have any claims history in the last 5 or 10 years? Now, this basic set of information is going to allow the insurance company to issue a quote. However, in certain scenarios, additional information is needed. For example, if you're an OBGYN, insurance companies will generally want to know how many deliveries you do in a given period of time, as this will have an effect on your premiums. Now, once the quote has been given and an insurance company has been selected, a doctor can get a bindable quote by providing a full submission to the insurance company. Now, a full submission consists of a completed application and loss history being sent to the insurance company. Now again, loss history is essentially a doctor's record of claims that have been brought or not brought in the last 5 to 10 years. Once this loss history and the application has been given to the medical malpractice insurance company and has been reviewed by the medical malpractice insurance company, the doctor will then be issued a bindable quote. Now, this bindable quote is the insurance company's offering to the doctor officially, where the doctor can say that he or she wants to purchase a policy, and the insurance company is then obligated to give the doctor a policy for that price. So again, that's the difference between a regular quote or an indication and a bindable quote. A quote is just a best guess. A bindable quote is the final offer from the insurance company. Again, I'm Tim Ryan, here to answer any of your medical malpractice insurance questions. Have a great day.